Tineco iFLOOR 5 Breeze Complete Wet-Dry Vacuum Cordless is designed for cleaning the listed floor types and reaching common above-floor areas. Check whether its configuration fits that job. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. The supplied listing states, vacuum and mop in one step. Clean up wet or dry messes and easily tackle tough and sticky messes in one step. This matters most when evaluating the head, tools, and detachable or lift-away functions. It also states, freshwater cleaning, equipped with Tineco's innovative flat scraper. Use that detail to judge pet hair, stairs, or mixed flooring when those uses are supported, rather than treating the feature list as proof of performance. For everyday ownership, consider cord storage, filter care, bin emptying, and the machine's carrying weight. Before ordering, confirm dimensions, included parts, power, and compatibility. The main limitation is that an upright body is bulkier on stairs and in tight storage than a stick or handheld vacuum. Buyers prioritizing lightweight spot cleaning should compare a smaller cordless design. Overall, Tineco iFLOOR 5 Breeze Complete Wet-Dry Vacuum Cordless best fits shoppers focused on cleaning the listed floor types and reaching common above-floor areas whose setup matches the supported facts.